Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a very delicious strawberry recipe. That is Oats strawberry crumbs. The tangy flavored strawberry is sandwiched between the crispy crumbs of oats. So let's see how to make this delicious squares. So for this recipe, you need around 300 grams of fresh strawberry. And you have to cut these strawberries into small cubes. We're gonna add these strawberries at the time of baking to the oats mixture. And for this recipe, try to take the fresh and the red berries, which will add more color to this recipe. Now add this entire chopped strawberries into a bowl. Now add in 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, some cornstarch, and sugar. You can use the granulated one. Now mix it really well and make sure each strawberry pieces are well coated with the sugar and cornstarch. Now keep it aside for some time, and later you can see all the sugar got melted and these strawberries got a beautiful glaze. Now let's prepare the oats crumb. Into a bowl, add in all-purpose flour, brown sugar, some salt, and room temperature butter. Now bring it all together with the help of a fork. Now add in the oats. You can also use rolled oats. Add some baking powder and mix it. If you want, you can add in more oats to bring this into a crumble texture. Now take a baking tray lined with parchment paper and add in half of this mixture into it. Spread it and press it really well with the help of a spatula. Now on top of it, add in the strawberries. And on top of the strawberries, add in the rest of the oats mixture. Again, press it well. Now you have to bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or till you can see a beautiful golden brown shade on top. Allow it to cool down completely, run a knife to the sides and slowly take it out from the baking tray along with the parchment paper. Now cut this into any desired shapes. When you serve it, you can see the strawberry layer in between. In each bite, you will get the strawberry in your mouth. The tangy flavor strawberry with the crispy crumbs of oats and butter. Oh, it's simply superb. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.